We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as magnesium. This is the substance we are ordering. The 12th particle of the stone presents itself as intense white light, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the point of view of beginning. The Throne of Aries opens the sequence and directs the gaze toward the brilliant combustion of magnesium. From this seat, magnesium reveals itself as the metal that burns with blinding white light, as the atom that, once ignited, releases a flame of solar intensity impossible to look at directly. Each strip of magnesium that ignites initiates a combustion reaction at 3,100 degrees Celsius. Each oxidized atom emits pure white photons. Each ignition unleashes a radiance that rivals the sun itself. Magnesium inhabits latent energy that explodes into absolute whiteness, the fiery impulse released without restraint, the luminous force unleashed at the very first contact with flame. When observed from the Throne of Aries, the alkaline earth metal finds incendiary initiative, primordial combustion force, and the capacity to unleash light from the very first instant. Oxidation becomes a luminous inaugural act. The silvery metal organizes itself as an impulse of white light. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of solar ignition. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the internal luminous metal and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, the fiery impulse becomes clear and the first face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Magnesium is ignited. The wheel begins its conscious turning. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am igniting the white light within me. Allow the mind to remain bright and direct at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with inner darkness, lack of personal light, denial of solar radiance, fear of intense combustion. Emotion is brought into order through ignition. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am magnesium. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating the white combustion into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.